Hi, I'm Philip Courtney. I'm the founder of Applied Emotional Finance, and I want to give you a very quick overview of my program, How to Make Your Value Glaringly Obvious to Prospective Clients. The program has been specifically designed for financial planners, financial advisors, and wealth managers. It's for people who are dealing with prospective clients on a day-to-day basis. Quite simply, the program will help you attract and convert more clients. It's designed to overcome the common challenges that advisors experience, so prospects who procrastinate, people who don't see the value of your advice or don't see the value in paying for your advice, and perhaps most frustratingly, people who stick with poor advisors even though you know they'd be better served by you. In this program, we'll uncover what really drives people to seek financial advice and what influences them in their decisions to engage with you as their financial advisor. Now, if people made robotic decisions, it would look something like this. If the value of the advice they received outweighed the costs that they incurred, they'd take action. It would be as simple as that, and I probably wouldn't have a job focusing on behavioural finance doing what I do. Because in reality, we as humans make decisions very differently. First of all, we need to consider the perceived value they feel. We need to demonstrate this value to your prospective clients. Secondly, we need to consider not just the financial costs, but also the emotional costs of their experience, the mistrust that they might feel, the financial anxiety, the lack of control that they're afraid of. And thirdly, there's a big difference between someone's intention to take action and actually taking that action. So we need to address this and motivate people to engage with you. The program's split into 3 modules, and each module helps address the behavioural barriers that clients experience. So, first of all, we look at how you can better demonstrate value. Secondly, how you can address the emotional cost, the tethers that are holding people back. And thirdly, how you can motivate people, make the journey as easy as possible for them to actually engage in your services. All of the content in the program, the videos, the checklist, the questions, the guides, are delivered online on demand, so you can log in and access the content whenever is most convenient for you. For those who want more support in applying the content to your role, there are group coaching sessions available. And if you want more personal support, you can also have one-to-one consultancy calls with me. So that was a very quick whistle-stop tour of the program. And of course, I'd love to have you on board. You can find more information and where to apply online at www.appliedef.com. And hopefully see you soon. Thanks.